Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the zombie tea. So I'm going to be starting with some water in the bottom of my cup, and I'm going to add 2 scoops of our watermelon prepare. Then 1 teaspoon of watermelon stevia. I'm going to blend that up. Add some cranberry aloe. Add a little bit of ice. And then I'm going to add a limeLiftoff. Add more ice and water. And then I'm going to top it with our green AppleStevia. And that's it. That's how you make the zombie tea. Thanks for watching.